Welcome, today in front of me CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just first for a while hold the application and drag this up to another one. And now we can see here that we have the new home screen folder on our device screen. If you wanna add here more applications, just by the same way hold them and drag them here. We can rename this name, just click here on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps, then just click here to OK. And now we can see that this folder has renamed successfully. We can move this folder here on the screen just by hold and drag it, or also between the screens. And if you wanna just create a new screen with this folder, that's not a problem, as can you see. If you want to remove the application from the folder, just hold it and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove this app from the home screen and from the folder, just hold it and drag it here to remove icon. But don't worry, you'll stay with this app here in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.